These are banana peels that I have roasted in the oven. I just keep collecting the banana peels and pop them in the freezer and put them in the oven, maybe 180 degrees, and keep tossing them around until they become crisp like this. You can hear the noise. I've got a few orange peels as well, just very little for acidity for flowering. These are very rich in potassium and very good for giving you huge fruits and for flowering as well. And I take the banana stalk like this and I pop them into a grinder like that, and you have to whiz it to so that it comes with this consistency. We are in November now, so I just spray them around the plant's stalk, and that should be good to go. It takes around 3 to 4 months for it to break down, and by the time it's spring you have good fruits and at least flowers for spring and then fruits during summer. So you start off with this and then you remove the stalk, put them in the mixing grinder, and comes to this consistency. It's quite therapeutic to actually do this, and it smells quite strong as well, banana peel. So this is roasted banana peel for your plants, healthy plants. Do it in October, November, so for March, April it gives enough time for it to break down in the soil to give readily available nutrients, potassium, and I also put eggshells for extra calcium so the plants don't rot at the bottom. They are very calcium rich as well. It's like bones for our body, calcium for the plants, which is all organic and no waste. You're reusing everything that's left over from fruits and eggs as well, eggshells.